In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method to the Canva website so you can sell your products. First, use the search bar to quickly find the website template you want by entering a relevant keyword, like website. Once you find a design you like, select it and start customizing it to suit your needs. Next, click the Customize button to begin editing. Choose a product to showcase, such as chocolate chip cookies, and edit the title to highlight your item. When you're ready, click Create to set up your payment options. From the menu, select Payment Link to allow selling directly from your design. Now, enter your product name or select an existing one. If it's not listed, add a new product and confirm the addition. Choose the payment method you prefer and review the post-purchase instructions that customers will see. Then, enter the required payment details, like confirmation text and pricing, to complete the setup for your product. After this, create your payment link and copy it so you can easily share or embed it anywhere you want to boost sales. You've now learned how to add a payment method on Canva. Good luck with your sales!